Welcome to the IPEX UCE mobile application video for Windows Desktop. If you haven't set up your application yet, please refer to the UCE installation video for Windows. Once you log into IPEX UCE, you'll be presented with the home screen. On the left-hand side of the screen you can see different options for UCE, which will provide different features of the application. To place a call, select the phone icon. This shows your call log. Click on the dial pad icon. If you have copied a number elsewhere, you can right-click and paste the number here, or you can simply type the number using your number keys or by using the dial pad shown. As you type the number, matching contacts will be shown from your IPEX cloud directory. If the number is not in your directory, you can still place the call as normal. Press the call key to place the call. This will give you similar functionality to if you had a physical desk phone. To place the call on hold, press the pause icon. To mute the call, press the microphone icon. The keypad can be used if you need to enter a number while on a call. If you have any questions regarding your UCE application, please contact your telephoning provider.